What's up, lifelong learners? Welcome back to another video. I am going to show you how to put this flash on this knuckle and then take the two and put it together on top of this light stand right here. So the first thing you're going to have to do here is you're going to have to make sure that this part right here, if I can adjust this to see, is flush. So if I spin this towards the right, you can see this part coming in, and if I spin it back, you can see it retreating. Okay? You want it to line up with this part right here so you have space to be able to slide this part right there, okay? And make sure you know that this part goes to the front. See this little cutout part right here? All right? That goes in like so. Oh wait, let me turn this around. Unlock this first, sorry. Take that back, go the opposite direction. Make sure this part, the sharp part, goes front, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press the screw, spin the screw to push it back in to hold it in place. All right, now this is held in place, but you're going to add extra security by flipping this switch over to where it says lock right there. And you'll hear a click, okay? And then now it's harder to pull this off. I'm actually trying to pull it. There you go. See how they can still come off? All right, so which means that I need to unlock this again, slide this back in. Oh, make some space again. Slide this back in. Tighten this part as much as possible. Okay? And then lock this in place. Now once it's up in the sky, or in the air, or on a stand is what I meant to say, you are going to not really deal with this that much anymore. Okay? So how do you adjust the angle? There are two ways. We're going to start from down here. Oh, by the way, the umbrella goes right there. Okay? You can adjust the angle by loosening this handle, and then you can adjust the knuckle to bend like so, okay? And then you can tighten back the knuckle and it will not bend anymore. And then you can also adjust the angle by pushing this button right here. Two, push forward, press the button again, and spin it around as needed, okay? All right? And then you can also, the third way, which I don't recommend, is to use this, to spin it around. See this right here? You loosen that part, and then you can spin it around easily, and then tighten it back up by pushing the screw to come back in to hold this in place, like that. Okay? So there are multiple ways of making the flash spin and adjusting the angle by loosening this or pressing the button and spinning it around like that. But it doesn't go all the way around. Okay? It will stop, and don't try to fight it when it stops. Just go easy, all right? We will learn the power of the flash and how this works in another video, but for this one, it's just a matter of getting it together like this and then putting it on top of here and making sure that this knuckle stays tight and it goes on top like so. All right, hopefully that helps you. Okay, let's go practice. Okay, rock, paper, peace.